Hey gang, Wesley Anderson here coming to you live from Houston, Texas. I hope everybody's had a fantastic day. It's been really good here. Lots of productive things going on in Wesley's world, and just got back from a really good long walk with the pups. So they're happy and all tuckered out, and had some really good creative thought process going on. I actually don't listen to music anymore when I walk or run because it gives me some time to get lost in my head and think and brainstorm and think of some great ideas. And today I was thinking about something that's really super important for anybody out there trying to achieve anything worthwhile, okay? Whether you're a real estate agent, network marketing professional, whether you're any kind of entrepreneur, or you're trying to achieve some kind of significant goal that's going to take some time, all right? And this is something that successful entrepreneurs, they breathe it, they understand it, all right? And it might not have been there at the beginning, but they understand it and they live it. Most people, they don't, and that's why they don't succeed. So this is something that if you can get, all right, you can truly understand, you can succeed at absolutely anything, all right? And I'm dead serious about that. So I want you to write this down on your whiteboard. I want you to write this down in your journal, okay? I want you to go ahead and write this down on your mirror so you see it all the time, that it gets ingrained in your mind. Okay, so when there's that time that you feel like quitting, that just automatically pops up, okay? And here it is. You have to learn to be impatiently patient. All right, and I know you're going, well, what the heck does that mean? All right, so you need to be impatiently patient means that you have to be impatient enough that you're out there working your butt off like you're not ever going to get a result. You're hungry, you're working like it's never going to come. But you have to be patient enough to understand that it's going to if you keep doing that, all right? You have to know that anything that's worthwhile doesn't happen overnight, all right? It takes a while, and you will see success if you're following proven track records, all right? So if you're being impatient, working, it's going to happen, all right? So you have to be patient enough to understand it's going to happen so you don't quit, but most people don't. All right, my buddy in Charleston's a really successful real estate agent. He's killing it right now. It's really fun to see. We were talking about that today, all right, or the other day, and he was talking about how he first got started. And he goes, you know, Wes, it was so hard. I had to get out there and brand myself and put the work in, and you don't see big results at the beginning. He was like, I had another job on the side, but I kept putting the work in. And now a few years later, he's absolutely crushing it because he was impatiently patient. He knew the results would come if he kept working his butt off. And now he's absolutely killing it. Same thing with network marketing. All right, most people come in because they want to change their life, right? But and they got the impatient part right down, but they don't have the patience part, okay? So they'll come in their work 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 3 months, 6 months, and they'll put some hard effort in, but they don't get that immediate result, all right? And they quit. They don't have the patience, all right? So they're impatient, but they're not patient, all right? It's going to take 1, 2, 3 years of putting in constant effort. And if you do that, if you follow a proven track record and you constantly put it in and you're patient enough to know that it's coming and not quit, it will happen, all right? So that's the big secret today. And if you can get that ingrained in your head, I'm certain that you can succeed at whatever it is, whether it's a weight loss goal, at real estate, network marketing, anything entrepreneurial. So you have to be impatiently patient. All right. So that's my message for today. If you got anything value out of this, like, share, comment. If you know someone that's out there that's struggling right now a little bit, that needs a little help with their belief, send this to them because I believe in you. All right. Send this to them. Maybe it'll help them. All right. You can find me I love helping people, as I always say, it's so true. I love helping people. So if I can help you, shoot me a message. I'm always happy to help. You can find me at YouTube, AGELWES03. I have all kinds of other videos up there, motivating, teaching, and training. My blog will be live very soon. IamWesleyAnderson.com. Been working on that, so I'm going to keep delivering content to help you. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video. And my goal for you is for you to have a super duper prosperous 2016. My name is Wesley Anderson, Houston, Texas. Peace out.